everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share how we can freeze and store the Gongura or Sorrel leaves from our garden and how we can reuse them in our regular cooking. In this video I am showing you how to make Gongura dal from the freezed Gongura. These are the Gongura leaves plucked from our garden in the winter time. So it's a better idea to freeze them. So at first step I wash them in the water and strain it out and let it dry for some more time. And now I am taking a pan and adding the oil, sufficient oil, and add the Gongura leaves into this one. We need to saute the Gongura leaves in the oil. It takes some time. So at first the Gongura will release some water and the water has to evaporate, and we need to add the salt. Once the Gongura is sauteed nicely, we need to cool it down and we can store them in the ziplocs. Now the Gongura is ready. I stored into small ziplocs so that I can use it directly, and then now I am going to freeze them in the freezer. If you want to make a Gongura pickle or dal, you need to take it out from the freezer and thaw for some time. Keep it outside for some time. Now I am showing you how we can make Gongura dal from it. So I cooked the dal separately in the instant pot. The plain dal is ready and this Gongura is thawed for some time outside. Now I am adding the thawed Gongura into this dal. I am adding the onions and tomatoes and green chilies and add the salt and chili powder. I added some water into this mixture and again I close the lid and put it in the instant pot for a pressure cook of 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the Gongura leaves are cooked nicely along with dal. Just need to mix it and adjust the salt accordingly. You need to add the tempering. The dal is ready and you need to serve it hot with the rice. It is so healthy and tasty. Thank you for watching.